We are sitting here with Betty, and Betty had stem cells done on her right knee about 6 weeks ago, and we were just discussing some of the good things and improvements that she's seen in that 6 weeks. So Betty, if you could just kind of share a little bit of what you were just telling me about what you experienced.
So far, I've been able to experience the enjoyment of going through the Coast and Seafood Festival and walking all around as long as I wanted to. I wasn't limping. I didn't have to take breaks. I can walk up and down the mall. I guess even going to the beach, walking up and down the beach was great. The best thing about it for me was a few days after getting it, I could wear my high heel shoes back to church. That was a plus because I missed that very much.
That's fantastic. So your pain is significantly better at this point.
Absolutely. Okay. Absolutely. I
don't
have pain.
I'm excited for you, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen over the next few months. So I appreciate you doing this. Thank you.
Thank you.
We're sitting here with April, and we were just discussing some of the, I would say, really incredible changes that she's seen since we've done the stem cells in her knee. So, April, if you could just comment a little bit about what you've experienced at this point.
I had the stem cells done about 6 weeks ago, and so far my pain is significantly decreased. I can sleep with my knees together. I can sleep on my stomach with no pain in my knees. I can go up and down steps. I haven't been taking Motrin or opioids in 6 weeks. The pain relief is just incredible.
And you use a statement with me that it's really been life-altering. Would you agree that that's really what you're seeing?
Oh, yes, very life-altering. I can sit in the car before 30 minutes to an hour, and I was just in awful pain. We did a trip. I was in the car 9 hours, no pain whatsoever. It's wonderful.
Fantastic. Well, I appreciate it. There's a lot of people suffering, so thank you for doing this.
Mm-hmm.